Coronavirus is not yet over, so it only means one thing for me. Just stay home and take care of my family. Now we're going to cook my own version of Pinaupong Manok with vegetable stuffing. So let's go. First, I'm going to prepare my seasonings. I'm going to use soy sauce, sesame oil, a pinch of salt, and ground black pepper. For exact measurements, you can check the description below. Mix it thoroughly and we can start preparing our chicken. First, I'm going to wash the chicken. I will be using lemongrass and spring onion for the stuffing. And I'm also going to put a vegetable inside of it. Wash our vegetables very carefully. When the chicken was drained, start putting the spring onion. Followed by the lemongrass. And then we're going to put our vegetables. For me, I only have the bukchoy, so that's what we're going to put inside. You can put any vegetables that you want, whatever you prefer or whatever you have in your fridge. I'm going to start to put the seasonings inside. And then after that, we can start rubbing it in the skin. Using a cooking twine, I'm going to tie the wings and the legs. The original version of this one, the chicken is sitting in a can. But for me, I'm gonna lay it down because I don't want the juice to come out. After I put the tie, I'm going to start putting the seasonings again, all over the chicken. In this version, I'm going to roast the chicken. So we will be using a roasting pan. I'm going to put at least 2 cups of salt. If you have a rock salt or sea salt, that would be better. On top of the salt, I'm going to put a lemongrass and a banana leaf. And now we're going to put the chicken. So whatever seasoning we left, I'm going to rub it all over and put the rest inside the chicken. I love the aroma of the sesame oil, that's why I put it there. And also it mixed with the vegetables. It will really taste good. Make sure to cover it because the steam inside, it will really make your chicken soft and juicy. So now I'm going to start roasting my chicken for at least 1 hour and 30 minutes. While I'm waiting for the chicken to cook, I'm going to start preparing my sauce. First, I'm going to slice the spring onions. And then after that, I'm going to mince the ginger.
1, 2, 3, come on!
While chopping, I already put my oil in the pan. Make sure your oil is hot. And then after that, I'm going to pour it with my ginger and spring onion. The heat of the oil will be the one to cook it. I will also going to put a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to mix it well to melt the salt. There you go, our sauce is done. And now our chicken's ready. Wow, the steam smells so good. I can smell the banana leaf as well. It's really so good. Can't wait to taste it.
Kick.
Cool it down a little bit and then we're going to take off the cooking twine. Here we go. I'm excited to have my first bite. Let me try it. It really tastes good. And now we're going to try it with the sauce. It's awesome. Let me ask my wife if she approved it.
But
Look.
make no mistake. While we are scouring,
And my kids love it too. So I know for sure your family will love it too. So if you want to try this, just check the description below for the recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe. And click the bell notification so you will be notified for our next videos. The more subscribers, the more viewers, the more videos we will post it here. Thank you for watching, guys.